happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Some of you guys already know, today we're checking out an amazing kind of portable speaker for your sports activity or your normal usage. But this speaker is so minimal, it's really amazing. So enough of me talking, let's jump in throughout the video. Whoa, there we go. As some of you guys can see, this is a wrist speaker. It's really amazing because you just can wear it throughout your hand like a watch, and you can even snap it somewhere here on your t-shirt or your cycling jersey, or depending on you where you want to keep it, and you can even clip it throughout your jeans. So it's really amazing, and we're gonna be unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's goody and check out some ingredients throughout it and see what's happening. So enough of me talking, let's jump in on unboxing it and check out the specs too. So yeah guys, here we have it. This is our wrist wearable sport wireless speaker. We're gonna just be unboxing it right now and see what's packed inside. So to be honest, I'm really so pumped to see what's goody through this bad boy. As you can see, there we go. And I think down here we're having the paperwork. Okay, nice, kind of cool. So as you can see, this is the instruction or your manual. You can just pass by it and read it, which it's really cool, and it's really kind of amazing. USB to micro USB, which is really quite impressive. So yeah, on your clothes. And this one you can clip it somewhere, just if you want to clip it, you know, you can clip it like you're clipping it somewhere. And this one you can keep it inside your cloth, and you can have your speaker over there, which is really good for cyclists too, and for normal usage if you want to just clip it around your speaker and have a good sound. So jumping out through to our bad boy, as you can see, this is how our speaker it is. Really cool. And you can see it has the volume up, volume down, and this is for pause, and it's really actually great. And you can actually release it just like that, and you can have your single speaker over here, and you can connect it with various clipping of your clothes, no matter which you would like to keep it inside. It's really worth it. And this one is just for clipping, so you can just clip it somewhere there, just like that. When you hear the snap, you know that it's good. So yeah, it's really good. So you can just clip it somewhere here, which it's really amazing. The speaker comes really in handy. I really like it, the form factor, the way they kept it. It's called wrist, and over here it's your charging port or your micro charging port over here, which is really cool. And it's water resistance, as out there saying throughout the box. It's a water resistance or waterproof through here. It's just a splash proof. Don't get it immersed on the water and expect it to just survive. So beware of that. Though there's a port over here which they've been a little bit kept immersed so as it can get intact of water, but it's a splash proof water resistance. So it's such an amazing kind of speaker, to be honest. And let us just turn it on. This is the turn on button too, so you turn it on, you can hear it's really good. It's really amazing. So right now let us just pair on our phone. You can actually wear it as a like a watch or something, but it's just a wrist. You can just keep it on your wrist there. You can adjust it depending on you how you want to adjust it, and it's actually really cool because let me say you're cycling around town and you just want your speaker over here. It's actually ideal, and you can just remove it this way just by snapping around here, or you just release it first like that, because if you release it the way I was doing, you might be breaking it. But just make sure it's out of your hand. And right now you can just do this way. You see, you just try to hold somewhere here and you just do this way, and you can use the other clipping to just clip them, you see, like the way I'm doing. And actually keep it on your belt somewhere there if you have jeans and stuff. It's really nice because you can just keep it somewhere. And another kind of stuff which is quite interesting, you can actually use the other clip, this one, for wearing. So let's say you have your shirt on or any type of clothes, you can actually keep it overlaying with it, which it's really amazing. So we're gonna do a demo throughout there, so as you can see how it really is. So yeah, okay, to be honest, this kind of speaker, it's really nice. First of all, it's just so portable, so small in size, and it's just 60 grams. It does not take a lot of your spacing. I understand it won't give you a bigger sound like a JBL Flip or something, but it's actually portable for lesser things you want to carry. So sometimes you just want to carry lesser stuff, especially if you're a cyclist. This speaker is coming in handy. So as you can see, guys, through here, I've just kept my speaker throughout my t-shirt, and you can just snap it over there, and it's just lightweight. It does not bugging you or stuff like that. It's just coming really at handy, and I can just walk around, you know what I mean, walking around and listening to what I really want to hear. Sometimes you just don't want to have your earbuds 24/7, or you just don't want your earbuds for a longer time of usage. You just want something like this. You can just actually listen, and you can pause, and you can speak, and you can do bunch of stuff. So it's a really ideal speaker to just be having it. This is just an amazing kind of feature, but it has another clip. It snaps, right? When you're done snapping, you can do this way. You can keep it to here. It's just like hanging, you know. It's actually not bad. It's just hanging around.
It's hanging around.
You know, I'm hanging around, you know what I mean? So you can just keep it somewhere there. It's really steady, and it's really amazing. This speaker is just wowing me up toward its own kind of self. It doesn't have a massive sound, don't think about it that much, but when you have it here, imagine the sound which you can hear through just yourself, and it's really amazing. Even if when you're outdoor throughout your cycling activity, this kind of bad boy can just do amazing. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if this kind of speaker wowed you up. You can just get it online, and it's really amazing. And something which is so good about this kind of speaker, it's just lightweight, and it's easier to carry, and you can the sound is actually not like the other speakers. I hope you get me. And it's just a sound which is vibrant. You heard the sound, we did a sound test, and it's really quite not bad. So that's it, guys. Up to the next one. I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and stay tuned for a bunch of buds unboxing, because there is a lot of buds coming out videos, and it's gonna be really amazing. Can't wait for that, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.